we call them traps. So the simplest thing you can think of is analogy is like a marble in a bowl. The marbles are the atoms, they're charged atoms, and the bowls are configurations of, in our case, electric fields that allow us to grab onto this charge. The reason that's interesting is just that we can hold them for long periods of time, and we can do this without significantly perturbing their energy structure. Two aspects of the control is, one is we'd like to manipulate the internal energy levels of the, in our case, the ions, the charged atoms, and that we've sort of known how to do for quite a long time, using laser fields and microwave fields. But it turns out that we need to also control the motion of the atoms in the well precisely, and so we use a technique which is commonly called laser cooling, freeze out the motion as much as possible within quantum mechanical limits. So what we say is what you can think about is this marble in the bowl, the harmonic oscillator. It has quantized energy levels, and with laser cooling we can do a pretty good job of putting the motion in its ground state.